Air Canada 7047, Ottawa Tower, contact Ottawa departure. 128.17 in the air, clear for takeoff, runway 07.
Takeoff 07, 2817 airborne, Canada 7047. Tower Canada 7047.
7047, sorry.
I just had a small indication problem here. Could we have a moment on the runway to check it out?
Yes, man, I got nobody on final, and let me know when you're all set to go.
Okay, will do. Thanks. Canada 7047. And Tower Air Canada 7047, ready to go now.
Roger, and you're clear for takeoff, Air Canada 7047, contact departure airborne.
Air Canada 7047.
Tower Castle 5001, holding shore, runway 7, ready to go.
Castle 5001, Ottawa Tower, line up for runway 07.
Line up 07, Castle 5001.
Golf Papa Mike Romeo Tower, after takeoff, turn right and proceed direct the threshold of runway 07. Then to Manitic, at about 1,500, there'll be traffic departing on runway 07. Cleared for takeoff, runway 04.
At above 1,500, Papa Mike Romeo.